skill-based HR only works when your HCM tool actually knows your job, skills, and people. Today, we will show you how SuccessFactors and Cobrainer work together to make that a reality. So, Stephan, it's good to have you here. Maybe you want to quickly introduce yourself.
Stephan Koenen, SAP SuccessFactors. I'm responsible for market development, SuccessFactors in Germany, but I'm also the person that talks to the HR side of our customers about digital HR transformation and the benefits.
So, Stephan, my first question, why is it important to bring partners like Cobrainer onto BTP and build certified iFlows?
Integration is very important. Why? Because bringing data into the system is not a one-time effort. It's about continuously updating skills and job inside SuccessFactors. It's about integrating Cobrainer as an expert system towards SuccessFactors so that the Talent Intelligence Hub is always up to date with the jobs and the skills that are relevant for the company. What I really like is that Cobrainer uses the BTP integration to continuously update skills in the Talent Intelligence Hub. Why? Because it's also about security. It's about really making sure that data really remains in the secure environment of Cobrainer as an expert system together with SAP SuccessFactors Talent Intelligence Hub.
Which SAP modules will benefit the most from those enriched and precise skills that are then available?
Skills as part of the SuccessFactors solution are very important because with skills, we really develop SuccessFactors towards a platform of engagement. It's about infusing skills along the employee lifecycle in recruiting, in onboarding, but also, for example, performance management, where managers and the direct reports talk about career growth and based on skills, right? But especially learning skills is very important for learning. It's all about personalized learning recommendations. It's about personalized opportunities, certain projects, mentors, coaches that help you to grow your career. And this is really making a platform of engagement a reality where people grow their career, where they drive their own performance, and that's why skills is so important. It's really developing SuccessFactors towards a fully leveraged best of platform. Skills are really this factor that helps to really build an end-to-end platform, a platform where people go into in order to grow their career, and really also the company defines clearly the target picture. And this is all about human capital solutions in the future in comparison to in the past where just data was managed. Now it's a system for employees to grow their career, to go into and be successful in their future.
When customers adopt a skill-based approach with this kind of integrations, what kind of results do you see most often?
So a skill-based organization is an organization that can adapt fast to changing market conditions, right? So there are a lot of business disruption. And that's why internal talent mobility is so important, that really the company clearly defines what are the job roles for the future that makes us successful. And then people can develop towards these roles, right? And we need also a certain culture change, of course, really that people understand I need to drive my own career, I need to drive my own performance. But when this transformation is successful, really the organization can much faster adopt to these changing market conditions, right? And also with Cobrainer, the job architecture review, so it's really a yearly or maybe even a quarterly review of the job architecture. This is much more easier, right? Because you can really benefit from the data from the Cobrainer platform.
SAP is investing heavily in TIH and topics like AI, HR. So how do you see partners like Cobrainer fitting into this long-term strategy of SAP?
When it comes to skill data, we have a clear partner strategy, and Cobrainer is one of our premium partner that helps us to bring high quality skill data and job data into the talent intelligence hub. And SAP is building great solutions that really operationalize data, right? So that data is being created and also put then in the business data cloud. But the foundation is Cobrainer with the data around skills and competencies and job. And this is really where you bring in your industry expertise, where customers can benefit from.
Thank you, Stephan. To summarize it, skills become actionable when data flows into those systems that the people already use day by day. And that's why SAP and Cobrainer fit together so naturally.